Hey guys, it's your girl Shar, your favorite sickle cell warrior, and I'm building an online business all while battling this monster of an illness. And guys, I am excited to welcome you to video 5 of the Mailchimp marketing email. The Mailchimp email marketing makeover. No, it's the Mailchimp email marketing makeover video makeover series. Something like that, guys. I just know that I am here to give you as much information as I possibly can so that you can finally start building the list and build a list, at a fairly reasonable rate to free to reasonable rate for now until you can actually afford to move on to a platform that you would maybe have to pay for. So guys, we're going to jump right on in after that blooper. We want to jump right on into video 5, which we're actually going to have some fun today because finally we are going to create a sign-up form for our list. So we're going to click this button right here. And guys, we are going to be working from inside of a list that we previously created from this series of videos. So we're going to click that button there, and then from there we're going to come over here to the sign up form and click it. When you come to this page, Mailchimp will give you 6 kinds of forms that you can create, and that will be the form builder, which is a really easy drop and drag form for the novice user, and then the embedded form here. This is the form where you can, it works really well with your WordPress blog and other sites like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCart, I think is the name of the other one. Another one. And then here are subscriber pop-ups. Now that is a pop-up form that you can use with a code. And then here we have form integrations. Form integrations are really cool. Those are like Eventbrite. You can integrate those, and another one is Google Contacts. That's a great form integration form that you can use. And then here you can even do Facebook forms, and then forms that you can use when you're working offline. So we're going to come up here and we're going to choose the general easy drop and drag form builder here. Just click it. So guys, I was playing with it a little bit, but from here you have the option to let your subscribers pick the email format for them. That's a pretty nice, it's a pretty nice gesture for them to be able to do. So you want to click that, so allow them to have that option. And then you're also giving, right here guys, this is the URL that belongs to this form, and you can pass this form along to your subscribers and your audience. So the first of the process, guys, you're given this base form, whereas if you just want the email, the first name and the last name, then that would be, that's what's here now. And then this is the preferred format. You can use this format so that you can start your design. And you can add any fields from over here, guys, that you may think you want to add on the, form over here. So you can you can also change the existing fields by working on the right side over here. Right here it says field settings. Say if I want to, instead of that same email, and I want it to say primary email. Now that's what it's going to say. Click save field, and now instead of saying just email, it says primary email. And so then you can, over here, you can add a field. Say if you want to add the date, so you just added the date over here. And then you can really just toggle back and forth, guys, and see exactly what it is that you want to either add or even take away. But guys, also keep in mind that the more information that you ask for, some people are reluctant to fill your forms out. So I just, I like to tell people that I had to learn that the hard way. So once you have the form structured the way that you want it, then you'll click design. You can now change the background again. You can change your background color. You see I have that red there, but let's say I didn't want the red. Let's say I wanted it to be like a purple. Oh, that's really pretty. Say we wanted it to be a purple color. I can change it to that. Then you can change the default text if you wanted to. If you wanted to change the text on, here, you can change that. And then even the link style, you can change that if you wanted to. You can also, you have the option to change, that color as well. And then you can also add in what are called monkey rewards here. This gives us the ability to promote Mailchimp to those that we actually are in contact with are using the free account. Mailchimp does require that you include their monkey rewards. Right, I just saw it. So of course, now that I turn the camera back on, I can't find it. Here, guys. So they require that you include their monthly rewards form, which I don't see anything wrong with that. They give you such an illustrious form with great features at every level of subscription. I think that it's a fair trade, actually. So also you can add, right here, guys, you can add translation. You can actually translate everything here in these boxes. You can really translate them to say what you want them to say. So let's just say here, I put your town instead of city. So when I click save translation settings, I don't know why it didn't come up, but it was supposed to. As you see here, I put primary email and that popped up. So, but it probably just hasn't caught up yet. Maybe if I refresh it, but I won't. It's just a tutorial. As you see here, you can really, like I said, you can make translate, guys. I'm sorry, I'm tight-tongued today. You can translate and make these really personal to you and how you whatever you want those buttons to say. But you can also just click up here, auto translate, if you want to have the form translate into out of the default language. If you choose the setting here, and you just again you click on save translation settings, and once you've done that, in order to use the form, once again, guys, you have your URL here, and then or this QR code you can use as well. Mailchimp also gives you the awesome way of being able to distribute your form through Facebook or your Twitter feeds. Now the form auto saves, so if you want to create different forms, you can do that, and now your form is ready to be used. Now that you've completed the sign-up form, you are going to go through the entire menu. So, click here, you'll see here that you can go through the sign-up form with alerts. So, you click here. Again, you can customize and translate the information. Whatever you want to see here is what you put here. Again, I just think you should leave it at the default, whatever the default says. I'm just showing you the options though, because a good wouldn't be a purpose for me to do the tutorial, you know, on Mailchimp if I wasn't going to show you the things that you can do, the options that you have. You can go through, then again, once whatever you change here, you always hit save translation so that it can end up here. It says something, an error, but again, you want to personalize it however you want, or again, just leave it be and let it keep Mailchimp's settings. So again, now you click the save translation. You want to go up here and you want to customize your thank you page. So you will click that. What you can do here, instead of showing this, you know, Mailchimp's URL and thank you page, you can actually send your subscribers to a specific URL. So I put Google here, but once you have the 3 steps of building, designing, and translating your page, building, designing, and translating, then you'll want to save translations. And then you'll want to customize, then you want to come up here and customize your confirmation, the opt-in confirmation. Here, you can write in what you want this email to say by clicking this edit button here. And then right here, you can write in exactly what you can. Thanks for to my newsletter. Save and close. Pretty much change the verbiage to whatever you wanted to say when they're confirming their email. And so now you're going to want to come here and customize the caption page. Here. And this is where the platform is determining whether or not the individual is a human being. So you'll have the 2 extra steps here again to design and translate. And then again, save the translation settings, whatever it is that you change on this part of the form. And then you want to change your confirmation thank you page. Now, once again, you will have to complete all 3 steps: build it, design it, translate it, and you'll be able to edit the information in this box here if you wanted to. Again, something is wrong. And then you hit save and close. Go through each one of these steps and customize them through your liking. Through your liking. You can go through each one of these steps and customize them to your liking. And what I mean by each step, I mean your final welcome email, the confirmation, all of these steps, you can actually go through on your own and customize them. And when you get, to the final welcome, unsubscribe, we're not that far, so we're going to stick to these here. But you can always go back and customize them. But, or you really can, which I suggest, especially in the beginning, leave them as the default settings, because Mailchimp has it set up from inside of the platform so that the default information is all the basic information that you'll need. So you can go through each step of this process the way that your customers or clients would when they're signing up for your email, and where you can customize each part of the data. So if you're feeling just like you want to go back to the beginning and you want to reset this whole form, and you want to do away with it, and you want to reset back to the defaults and start all over again, you can push this button here. And remember, make sure you think really hard and long about that. That's something you want to do, because that is permanent. Remember, the information in this form is always auto save. So remember to always, always, always distribute your form to all of your tribe, your target market, using this URL here. Mailchimp makes it that easy to distribute the form. So, okay, guys, now you have actually created a basic sign-up form that you can deliver by URL. I really hope you guys enjoy this 5-day Mailchimp email marketing video series. There is a little more to dive into for Mailchimp, but this is just to get you started. I'm thinking about doing more videos so that you can get a little more in-depth into this platform. So, all right, guys, again, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in another video. Talk to you soon. Bye.